ruffled hair, a loose shoestring, covered arms and a nose ring. He's just misguided, I think. He goes out till the lights up. He doesn't care for the day, he doesn't know what he's worth. But he's self-confessed and a little obsessed. Gets money from his parents to try and impress. I guess that's adolescence at its best. He's never put to the test but still distressed, and he keeps it all inside his vest. I guess that's adolescence at its best. He says live fast and die young, forget the past and move on. What's done is done. He says live fast and die young, forget the past and move on. You only live once. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Hangs about at the skate parks with his lighter and his pack of cards, and he's going nowhere.